Earn money online by using these tips. When you wish to make money online, you may be thinking of it because you want to get paid well. It can also just be something you want to do to help you get a few extra bills paid. Whatever the case may be, this video can guide you through this. What is your niche? Do you like to write? Sell your content writing services. Are you skilled at graphic design? Do graphic design for other companies online. Careful consideration about what you are good at will be instrumental in making money online. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money, as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. You may need to identify yourself before you can work online. It is common for online payers to expect the same forms of identification that you might provide for any type of job. If you don't have digital copies of your ID now, get them prior to applying and make the process a lot easier. Getting paid money to work online isn't the easiest thing to do in the world, but it is possible. If this is something you wish to work with, then the tips presented above should have helped you. Take some time, do things the right way, and then you can succeed. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.